The Autel Diglink MD802 code reader is a specialized diagnostic tool designed for both DIY users and professional technicians, making vehicle maintenance more accessible. It supports comprehensive diagnostics for all electronic systems in OBDII, EOBD&CAN compliant vehicles, providing accurate solutions to complex issues. Combining the functionalities of multiple Autel tools, it offers all system access, oil service reset, electronic parking brake diagnostics, and OBDII diagnostics in one powerful device. The device includes advanced features such as the ability to read and erase codes, view freeze frame data, and graph live data, enhancing the user's diagnostic capabilities. With step-by-step on-screen instructions, it simplifies rear brake service and oil reset procedures, ensuring safe and professional maintenance. The tool comes with a 12-month guarantee and free lifetime software updates, ensuring it remains a reliable and up-to-date diagnostic companion.